Alright, so tonight I'm just going to do a real quick video on what I do to, do a little detail work on my hair, before putting on the do-rag. So tonight what I'm going to do is I'm going to work on my crown a little bit, put some pomade on, and then I'm going to do a double do-rag compress using the no tie method. Not sure if it's the same method other people use for the no tie, but this is how I do it. So let's get started. I'm going to use a comb first on my crown. So just a little small comb here is what I'm going to do, and just kind of comb out from the crown just a little bit. And this is what I call, when I got time method, W.I.G.T, because I don't usually take a lot of time to do this. So I know a lot of people say they brush and comb for an hour. No, mine's usually like 10 minutes. So if I brush more than 10-15 minutes, that's very unusual. Maybe when I wash my hair. If I wash my hair, it'll take longer. But just do a little bit of combing. Alright, after I comb, I'm going to use a hard brush. Just doing the same thing. Just using the corner of the brush. So after using that, just after I use the hard brush is when I put the pomade in. And as you can see, I'm not really worried about the rest of my hair. I'm only, working on the crown. And that's pretty much all the time I'm going to put in with the, with that. So now, like I said, just going to use some pomade. The Chalises Heavily Inspired pomade. You can see it there. Get that to focus maybe. But it's Chalises Heavily Inspired. You can get that on the website. Gonna be a link below. Just gonna get a little bit of that. This is actually probably this is more than I usually use, but just gonna put that in right around the crown. Alright, so next brush. Just brush that all the way through because I'm trying to spread that pomade. This is when I'm trying to spread the pomade through the rest of my hair. I try to keep it real simple. So I'm just gonna finish up with a soft brush here. And after using the soft brush to, you know, lay it down a little bit, and that's when I'm just gonna go ahead and put the do-rags on. Keep it real simple. I don't use an hour to brush my hair. If I use an hour to brush my hair, I hope it would be a lot better. You know, hope my hair would look a lot better. But I can't complain. So these do-rags I'm using are both W.I.G.T, you know, do-rags. And as you can see, like all the ones I have, is that showing on the camera there, they all have these lines, they stretch out and get these lines through them. But all right, so no time method for me, real simple. Just keep that flat. I'm gonna pull it all the way around, not tucking this first one. So the second one, as soon as you pull it around the back, it's really holding in place already. Let's see. And when I bring this around, that's when I'm just gonna tuck it in the top. And that holds, it's tight. So just gonna do the same thing one more time with this one. You know, this is the Velvet W.I.G.T, of course. And if you haven't washed yours before, I would wash it. You know, if you get one of these velvets especially, I would wash it before I use it because it has a lot of dye. You know, when I finally washed this one, the sink was red with the dye. So that dye is coming off, you know, in your hair, you know, if you don't wash it first. So I would wash it before using it if I get another one. And the velvets, this double layer has a better elastic to it, so that's why I'm using two. Usually, a lot of times I just use the velvet because it has more of a stretch to it, so the compression is better. And for me, I don't have to have this perfect. I never wear them out the house. Maybe in the car, and then I'll take it off before I go wherever I'm going, usually to work. You know, so that's it. I can't stand this either. That's it just doesn't look good, but it works. So that is my W.I.G.T when I got time method.